So if you're on your driving test in Shrewsbury and you're coming up to what's known locally as Dobbies Roundabout, the roundabout by Mill Brace, you'll either be following the signs or the sat-nav. So the signs would be for Whitchurch and A49. If we look at the board, we can see Whitchurch at A49 on the left. That small line there tells you don't go to the roundabout and turn left. There's a slip road before it, so we need to be looking out for that on the approach. As we're coming up, we can see the lanes split into three. We know we need the left one. Be nice if they got rid of the hedge so you could see the sign. And at that point, you notice it's now a national speed limit. So as we come up, if we're paying attention to the lights, we can see they're on green for our flow of traffic, so the cars should stop. We can look to the right again at the bend. We can see they have stopped, but that doesn't mean someone's not going to turn left at the roundabout. As we come down the slip road, we've got the white line. Now we're crossing the white line, we're changing lanes. We need to be able to give way to anything on the main carriageway. We've said it's already national speed limit, which is 70. And next thing to look out for is the lay-by. You can see the blue sign telling us, look into the distance, is anything coming out of that lay-by? Lorries will be pulling out at between 10 and 20 miles an hour, and of course you're doing 70 or getting up close to it. Then if you approach vehicles in front, remember it's 70 miles an hour, so you are expected, if it's safe to overtake and get to the speed limit. As you come past, once you see the headlights in the centre mirror, check your mirrors, signal, come back to the left. Remember, it's still 70 if the conditions allow, and that's how we do Dobbies Roundabout.